Zoom meeting to make a YouTube video. You know which shop is it? Because I only know Windsor. Windsor is so expensive, but many people like it. So I don't know. I like Mercury. Ooh, so dangerous. Is it okay? I do not know. Oh, I think I just the wrong part to cut. Oh shit. Hmm, so difficult. So coordinate. I think I did that. Wow. Oh shit. I did it slowly. Okay. Got one. Wow. Oh shit. Oh, your feather, but your grip is so bad, I think. Oh wow, it's originally white, but now it's like cream. Do you know cream? Like our skin color, tan, yellowish. You see? In this camera, it still looks like white, but honestly, it's not white. Like it's not clean and they do it sloppily, but for overall, I really like the first impression of this rocket. Roger Federer 97L 12th generation, I think. Here we will see the detail of like weight and yeah, the size of the head. Uh, Pro Staff 97L because I don't like the uh, heavy rocket. It's really cool because I think it's the most expensive rocket that I've ever had because I'm not rich. So let's do Federer thing later. Really cool. Uh, so hard to find someone who want to sell this rocket. Just see you soon. Bye bye. I want to be like Roger, but I don't want to switch to Uniqlo because Nike is better and Wilson is better. See you. My grip is false. Yeah, so bad. I cannot do anything about it because I'm still beginner. Yeah, really cool. Just Ichimang and wow.